Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon humidifier effectively. First, carefully unpack all components from the box, ensuring you remove any protective packaging materials. Next, choose a flat, stable, and water-resistant surface for placement, ideally away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Finally, make sure the power cord is easily accessible and not obstructed, preparing for a smooth setup process. This initial preparation is key for safe and efficient operation. Now, let's get your humidifier ready for action. Begin by removing the water tank from the base unit and filling it with clean, cool tap water. It's important to avoid adding essential oils or other additives directly into the tank, as this can damage the unit. Once filled, securely replace the water tank onto the base. Then, plug in the humidifier and use the control panel to select your desired mist level, from low to high, to begin humidifying your space. To ensure your humidifier continues to perform at its best, regular maintenance is crucial. Aim to clean the water tank and base every 2 to 3 days to prevent mineral buildup and bacterial growth. Use a soft brush or cloth with a mild descaling solution, like white vinegar, for a thorough clean. If your model includes a water filter, remember to replace it every 2 to 3 months for optimal air quality and efficiency, ensuring a fresh mist. For enhanced humidification and comfort, consider these helpful tips. Strive to maintain an indoor humidity level between 40% and 60%, which is ideal for both health and home. Position your humidifier away from walls, furniture, and sensitive electronics to allow for proper mist dispersion and prevent moisture damage. Lastly, regularly check the water level and refill promptly to avoid the unit running dry, ensuring continuous, effective operation throughout the day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.